Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. This is the Musketeers group, the video presentation of VI editor. In this video tutorial, we are going to use the Vim editor. So actually, what is the Vim editor? Vim editor is one of the more popular text editor we use today. It is clone at the VI editor is written by the brand Molenar. It is platform editor and available on most popular platforms like Windows, Linux, Macs, and everywhere. VM is acronym for VI Improved. It is free and open source text editor. So some of features of this Vim is that its memory footprint is very low. It is command centric. You can perform complex text related text few commands. So, except this, there are many features in this Vim. So let's move to the installation part. So because we are using here Kali Linux, so for Linux we have to put the command for installation and update. So do apt get update. So asking my Kali Linux password, I give it and it's working. So it's updating the Kali Linux. After that we have to put the another command for installation. So we will see it. So it's done. Now we have to put the installation command. Sudo apt get install vim. So it's installing on my Linux. I already installed before. This way it's showing the short processing, but it's done. So how you check that is Vim is installed or not? For that we have to put which Vim. Yes, so it's already installed in this is the directory of my Linux. Then we have to configure. For configuration we have to write the command echo $home. Okay, then the next command is set and new. So is the configuration is done. Now we move to the next command. For that to start Vim, so just write a Vim. It will come the Vim information. Then if you want to go back the command mode, you have to press the keyboard ESC keyboard. So this is the command mode. I want to quit this Vim colon and Q is clone. So now we are going to do something interesting. I want to edit a file, or I want to create new file like edit musketeers.txt. So if the file is exist, then it will open. If the file name is mosquitoes.txt is not exist, it will create new file for me. Oh, sorry. I have to go for beam first, then clone, edit, mosquitoes.txt. So yeah, it's created newly for me. So now I am in the text mode, so I can write anything. Sorry, I have to go. Oh, I have to press the I. That's how I can write insert mode. Insert mode. So my name is Morshadul. This is Guru Musketeers. My guru mates. This is the I wrote something. Now I want to save this file. So now I'm in the writing mode, insert mode. So I have to go back in command mode. So that's why I have to press the I. Sorry, not here. Insert mode. Oh, sorry. Insert mode is I. So I have to go back to command mode. So I have to press ESC mode. So now I am in the command mode. Now I want to save this file. Colon Q. Sorry, colon W. So for save, I can use colon W also. Even I can use colon WQ also. The both command are you can save your file. For quit file you can use colon Q, and you want to quit but you don't want to save the file, you have to use code Q colon Q and exclamatory sign. So let's check for this save. Q is already saved. So now I want to quit. It's already quit. Let's go again. I want to view my file. So that's how you can write beam mosquitoes file names. It will show. Okay. There is another command. Sorry, I have to go back. Command mode. Insert mode here. So I have to go back. So okay, let me show. I will go the insert mode. So I write something. Blah blah blah. So I don't want to save and I want to quit. So I want to show this one. So I go command mode colon. So Q in exclamatory. Okay. So if I check this file again, I last time I wrote here blah blah, but it's not here because I didn't save it. So okay. Now I want to. Last time we used the W for save. Now we use for another. So I have to go insert mode. This is another command. So I want to save to use the different command colon WQ. If I view this file again, yes, that's what I wrote here. It's here because I already saved. So if you want to view, you can use the different command also. So let's go back. Wait. Like we use beam and file name. Now you can use also VIU view mosquitoes dot txt. You can view also the same command. Then okay, we go back command Q. Great. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a nice day.